Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and what I have on the table today happens to be an LSB-79, which is a rear mount for the springs, the forward spring mount, on 67 through 9 Camaros and Firebirds. And what this does, it allows for reverse eyes to be installed on the car and give it plenty of clearance to operate properly. We just happen to have a Camaro in the back today that we're working on where we're going to be doing that exact installation, and we thought it might be kind of interesting to show you what we've got going on installing an LSB-79. As you can see, this particular vehicle has reverse eye leafs already installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop the mounts down, and what I want to show you here is when we pull that stock mount off, notice the side of the leaf spring. You're going to see paint actually rubbed off on the side of the leaf. That is actually where it's been contacting the stock mount. Now you see how the mount's got that hump right there that drops on down? That's the area where the leaf spring has been contacting. And when that happens, that leaf goes into a bind. Now we're going to install Delaloom bushings in this particular application. The customer wanted to do an upgrade. So we ended up taking the leaves off, doing a quick install on the Delalooms. Now, we're getting ready to put the LSB in. Now installing the LSB, you've got the studs. The long stud goes to the inside, and you've got the other two studs, of course, taking up the position on the three for the mount. Once you've got those installed, go ahead and slide the LSB mount onto the leaf spring. Now you notice how the leaf spring has nothing to hit right there? 1/2-inch bolts are included in the kit. Run them on down. You're actually going to torque them to 70 foot-pounds before the install. Slide the LSB up. There's an index in the front there's a tab there that indexes in the unibody. Go ahead and use the hardware supplied in the kit. And you're going to end up torquing these bolts down to 35 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it. All right, we just completed that job, and you'll notice that he already had a reverse eye installed on his car, and it showed where it was hitting the factory mount. That's why we built these, is so you can run a reverse eye on those particular vehicles and not have that problem. In this particular case, he had a harsh ride, and we also upgraded his bushies to the Delaloom system. So, LSB-79, 1967 through 69 Camaro and Firebird. You're running a reverse eye leaf. This is something you need to check into.